What's up everybody, Manny from Motomillion. In this video today I'm going to show you the newest part by Ducabike. It is the oil pan protector for the Streetfighter V4. It is really easy to install, so let me show you how it's done. What's up? Chris is making faces there, so it's distracting me. So the first piece is the oil pan guard or the oil sump guard. This is designed to protect your oil pan from the rocks or road debris hitting it. And it's a fairly simple install. It's just 3 bolts. Let's get down there and let's show you how it's installed. So we're gonna remove these 3 bolts with an 8mm socket. We're gonna try not to move this around too much because this is the oil filter housing. And then we're gonna put our sump guard in place, use the supply bolts with the 5mm Allen head and put it back on there. So let's get to it. As always, you want to first hand tighten it and then tighten them up with your socket. So as you can see, this piece now, it acts as a protection piece. You get a lot of road debris and tire being kicked up by that front tire, especially if you have a tire like this, which is a Super Corsa SP on this bike. And it protects the exposed oil pan that's on these Street Fighters. And it also looks like $1,000,000 if you ask me. The Ducabike stuff is very nice machined and goes with the theme of this bike. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Have a great one, guys.